Welcome to the cooler depot. I'm going to introduce our new products on my right hand. It's coffee machines. And let me give you the overall sizes first. For the unit's entire length, about 8 inches. And the depth of the units about like 16 inches. And the overall height is about like 19 inches tall. As we can see, the front of the units, they're having the switchers, starters, and also have an indicator lights to notify the machine is running. And when we look in the bottoms, and we can see the manufacturer of the kettles. This one is about like a 1.8 liters. And for this one, the bottom have an insulator, the holders at the bottoms. And when we look in the tops, we can see they're having a drink filling the water inlets. And for this part, don't over the 2 liters water to fill in. And also right here, they have a powder fillers, and you can put all the coffees right here. And after the back, we're having another insulate holders right here. And when we're looking at the back of the units, we can see they're having switchers and the power plugs. They're using the standard 110 plugs, and also have a sanitation ETL stickers on it, and the cost sheet informations. And also we do having a manual books from the manufacturers. They will let you know the detail about the machine too. So this will be all the demonstration information about the products. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us.